noticing the taste as soon as it touches your tongue. Label the different flavors that you are tasting. Chewing mindfully means chewing slowly and thoroughly. You can count the amount of times you chew. I recommend at least 15 before swallowing, but you can find a rhythm that is right for you. Notice the taste as though it was the first time you have ever tasted it. As you swallow the food, notice how the nutrients are going into your entire system. Breathe in and enjoy this bite you have swallowed before taking another. Look at your plate again, identify the different foods, and choose another bite. Slowly gather some more food onto your fork. Notice the items you chose for this bite. Bring it to the nose. Close your eyes this time and inhale deeply, enjoying the fragrance of these foods. Open your lips and allow the bite to come into your mouth, identifying the flavors, noticing the textures, and begin mindfully chewing, counting your bites as you go. This food is a gift, so may you eat with mindfulness and gratitude every time you have a meal. You may continue mindfully eating until you finish every last bite without overeating.